Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie, and today's video, I'm giving you tips on how to control your hunger throughout the day. For those of you who don't know, I am a professional bikini competitor with the INBA, which is a natural bodybuilding organization. I've competed in 8 shows. Last year I did 4 shows in which I earned my pro card in my first show last year, so my last 3 shows were all pro shows. I won Team USA's, and then I took second at my first pro show, and then I placed top 5 in the Natural Olympia with competitors from over 25 countries. It's an amazing accomplishment, and I was gonna take this year off because last year was a very long year, and then my boyfriend and I decided, let's just last minute, let's do a show. So I'm on prep right now, training for my 9th and 10th show, so it should be good. About next month, the month after, will be the show, so I'm super excited. If you want to see and more about that, let me know down in the comments, and I can definitely make a video when it comes to bikini competitions and what you need to know, or just a day in the life of me being on prep. So that's a little bit of my background and these tips that I'm about to give you on ways to control your hunger, because when you're on prep, you are hungry. You crave so many foods. It's like you're a pregnant woman. You crave foods you didn't know you even enjoyed. Like, I'm not a fan of pizza, and for the last 2 weeks, I've been craving pizza. Crazy. So anyways, all right, let's get started. Tip number 1, universal tip. I think I said this in my last video. Drink water. Drink plenty of water. Drink water when you wake up, throughout the day, before every meal. However is gonna help you to get more water in, do that. If it's with a straw or flavored water, putting like lemon in your water, do that. Do whatever it takes to get that water intake in. The next tip is to go work out. Keep your mind busy. When you're just sitting there bored, I'm like, man, I could really go for a cheeseburger right now. No, go work out. Your endorphins will be up, and then when the time you're done working out, you'll feel good, you'll feel better about yourself, and you wanna eat a healthier meal, or maybe you're still craving the burger. Eating the burger after your workout will be a lot more beneficial than eating it and not getting a workout in.
Exercise gives you endorphins. Endorphins make you happy.
Tip number 3, eat more protein. With every meal, you always want to get more protein, because the protein is going to help digest your fats and carbs in your diet a lot faster, and it's also going to keep you full longer. So when you eat a yogurt has casein protein, and that's a long digesting protein, so it's going to take a while to digest it through your body. So it's really good to eat that, or even just a quick whey protein throughout the day. Any protein with your meal will definitely help keep you full longer. Tip number 4, if you're bored, stay out of the kitchen. Get the heck out of there. Sometimes I'll be in my kitchen just sitting in front of the pantry because I like looking at pantries. If I come to your house, I'm gonna look in your pantries because you know what? I enjoy it. I enjoy looking at what people have in their pantries. It's really weird. I'm an odd person. But I will just sit there and open my fridge 10 times within like 2 minutes thinking something else is gonna pop up. Or if I'm just sitting down there, I will just start to eat.
I'm just eating because I'm full.
But if I were not in the kitchen, I wouldn't be hungry. So sometimes you just have to tell yourself, like, no, just get out of the kitchen, get out. Sometimes my boyfriend wants me to stay down there with him and eat. I'm like, I'm sorry, I cannot stay down here because I'm gonna eat if I'm down here, and I'll have to like go upstairs to the bedroom to get away from the food if I have no more macros left. So stay out of the kitchen. Tip number 5, get more sleep and get better sleep. When you don't get enough sleep or you're not well rested, you're more prone to have unhealthy eating habits, and it's gonna ruin your healthy choices throughout the day. So just make sure you're getting to bed on a decent time, enough sleep. I used to go to bed like 9 o'clock every night, and then all of a sudden it just switched to like midnight. And I was like, this is not me. Why am I doing this? And then all throughout the day, I just felt sluggish, and I just wanted comfort food and pasta. And so, but as soon as I started like making sure I was in bed now by like 10, getting enough sleep, waking up for my cardio, I felt better about eating my healthier choices, and I wanted my healthy food over like junk food. Tip number 6, eat more fiber, whether it be oatmeal or broccoli. Just a lot of food is gonna keep you full and sustain you. Number 7, and I think most of us can agree, drink more coffee. Coffee is amazing, and I actually left my coffee over there, so I can't even drink it right now. But just drinking coffee will help keep your stomach full. If you're not ready for your next meal, drink coffee. And I think that's one of the best tips you can give someone, is to drink coffee. Tip number 8, eat spicy foods. Now, I do not like spicy foods. I am a big baby. Mild to Taco Bell is so hot for me, but spicy foods keeps your foods more flavorful, and then it helps keep your body, like, tricks your mind thinking what's more satisfied. So this morning I had an egg white omelet with red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onions, and then I also flavored it with Oh My Spice fajita seasoning. So good. There was so much flavor, and it, like, I felt like I was at a restaurant eating this like big old Mexican meal. It was so good. So yeah, anytime you have food, just make sure there's a ton of flavor. You don't want bland food because you're not going to be satisfied. If you're just eating like chicken and asparagus, it's like, add some flavor, add something to it, like mustard to your asparagus, add something to like make sure you're enjoying your food. That way you're not going to be hungry 10 minutes after you finish this bland meal. Number 9 is very sad. It's a sad tip. Avoid sugary foods. Like, sugary foods and candies, they're not going to keep you full. It's a lot of calories, a lot of fat, a lot of sugar, a lot of carbs for something that's not going to keep you full. It's not going to last, you know, make it as a treat, but it's not going to control your hunger. Tip number 10, de-stress. Do whatever it takes to not feel stressed. I am a stress eater. I'll sit there and work, and I'll just like be at my computer and I'll just be like eating like this. You do not want to do that. So find something that's not gonna make you feel stressed, like listen to music, listen to videos. The last thing you want to do is stress eat, because then when you're done stressed and you have your project done, you're like, why did I do that? Then you're gonna feel bad that you ate all this food while you're stressed or while you're procrastinating, you know? When you're stressed, don't have food by you. Make sure it's far away. You know, do whatever it takes, like yoga, working out, singing, anything to make you more relaxed in your situation. 11, drink green tea. Now, not those like skinny teas that people are selling on Instagram. I'm just talking about just some regular tea. Like, don't listen to all those gimmicks, okay? Just any kind of tea. There's lots of good teas at the store. There's like a blueberry slim tea, which is like a blueberry tea and it like makes you poop. It's really good. And then lately I've actually been hooked on this like black tea. It's like cinnamon flavor, and I'll have that at night, and then I'll have a little bit of almond milk in it, and it tastes so good. And it's like so relaxing on your throat. Just makes you feel more at ease. I've never really been a big tea drinker, but lately I've really been loving that, and that does help with your hunger, does help to like keep peeing, get sodium out, whatever. It's good for your body, okay? Tip number 12, do not deprive yourself. Eat everything in moderation, but if you deprive yourself, you're gonna be more prone to go and binge eat or eat something that is actually tasting good. So make sure your foods taste good. Make sure you're enjoying them. You want to eat them. It's gonna satisfy you. And then eat until you're full. Wait, like if you're eating a meal, wait 10 to 15 minutes, go walk around, go keep yourself busy, see if you still really are hungry, because most of the time you're not. Your stomach just hasn't like realized it has food now. Because I will eat, I'm like, I'm starving, I'm so hungry, I need more food. And then I'll just go walk around, go keep myself busy, and then all of a sudden, like an hour or two later, I realize, oh, I wasn't hungry, you know? It works. Tip number 13, don't buy it. If it is not in your house, you cannot buy it. Just like don't go to the grocery store when you're hungry. That is like one of the worst ideas you can do. I have so much food in my pantry right now. I'm like, why did I buy this? Oh, I went when I was hungry. Like today I was doing a 15-hour fast, and then I went to the grocery store and I was like, this is a very bad idea. Stay strong, stay strong. Like, Seriously, if it's not in your house, you cannot buy it. It's not in front of your face the entire time. A lot of times this is bad. Like, I'll get something and then I'll have it and I'll start eating it. I'm like, why did I even buy this? Like, this is not good for me. This is ruining my plan. And I'll literally just go throw it away because then it's not in the house anymore. I cannot worry about it. I can't look at it. That's the best thing to do, is just throw it away. Or don't buy it. Don't buy it. The last tip I have for you is to brush your teeth. If you're feeling hungry, brush your teeth, because you don't want to go eat something after you have a freshly clean grill. You know, like at bedtime when it's like 8:30 and you're feeling snacky, just brush your teeth, get in bed, start to like watch TV or do your nightly routine, and suddenly you're not hungry after you've brushed your teeth because your mouth feels clean. That is all the tips I have for you today. I hope you give them a try and I hope they help you. Until next time, bye.